Good morning, everyone. A warm welcome to one and all present here. We are about to begin our second day of virtual celebration of Grandparents' Day.
Ma'am, can we start?
Yes, please start. Joy Ma'am has joined us.
Yeah, okay.
Grandma, today's for you, today's for you. We want you to feel very, very special. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Grandma, today's for you, today's for you. We want you to feel very, very special. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Grandma and Grandpa, we like to say that we celebrate you in a very special way. Kind and considerate is what you are. You'll always be my shining star. The time we spend together is always great. We want to tell you now that we appreciate the wonderful things that you do. Now it's time to say, we love you. Grandma, today's for you, today's for you. We want you to be very, very special. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Grandma, today's for you, today's for you. We want you to be very, very special. Yes, we do. Yes, we do.
Somebody, yes, I do. Love somebody, yes, I do. Love somebody, yes, I do. Love somebody, can you guess who? Love my grandma, yes, I do. Love my grandma, yes, I do. Love my grandma, yes, I do. Love somebody, can you guess? Love my grandpa, yes, I do. Love my grandpa, yes, I do. Love my grandpa, yes, I do. Love somebody, can you guess? Love somebody, yes, I do. Love somebody, yes, I do. love somebody, yes I do. Kiss and a hug, 'cause I am.
Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, Hina Ma'am, Vishali Ma'am, Zankhana Ma'am, Tejal Ma'am, and to all the Dadas, Dadis, Nana, Nanis present here. A warm welcome to all of you. Today, we all have gathered here to celebrate the eldership that is by all means the presence of all the goodness and positivity in any home. Yes, I am talking about our dear grandparents. Grandparents create memories that the heart holds forever. I believe that grandparents are the blessing of God.
Truly said, Sarika ma'am. Having grandparents is one of the best gifts by God for their grandchildren. Grandparents are the support system of any family. Grandparents give value and give spiritual rewards like compassion, peace, love, faith, joy, tolerance. They act as spiritual guides for grandchildren. So, with this note, let's begin our program with the lighting of lamp.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः.
Now, we are going to recite a small poem in Hindi for all you grandparents. The title of the poem is हम उनके राज दुलारे हैं. दादा दादी के प्यारे हैं, हम उनके राज दुलारे हैं. उनके बिना है घर अधूरा, उनके बिना परिवार अधूरा. उनकी आंखों के तारे हैं, हम उनके राज दुलारे हैं. हमसे पहले खुद नहीं खाते, पापा के गुस्से से हमें बचाते. खुशियों से भरे फुवारे हैं, हम उनके राज दुलारे हैं.
हमसे इतना लाड लड़ाए, परियों की कहानी हमें सुनाए. ज्ञान के खुले पिटारे हैं, हम उनके राज दुलारे हैं. रखे हरदम सर पर हाथ, हर मुश्किल में निभाए साथ. पक्के दोस्त हमारे हैं, हम उनके राज दुलारे हैं. दादी दादा के प्यारे हैं, हम उनके राज दुलारे हैं.
कहते हैं जिन्हें माता पिता का प्यार मिले वो भाग्यशाली होते हैं, परंतु जिन्हें दादा दादी नाना नानी का प्यार मिले वो सौभाग्यशाली कहलाते हैं.
सही कहा पूरम मैम. घर के बच्चों को एक शिक्षक और दोस्त बचपन से ही मिल जाते हैं. जिस घर में बुजुर्गों का वास होता है, सभी दादा दादी नानी नाना को हमारा सत सत प्रणाम. So children, are you all ready for the funful activities? Yes, we are going to have lots of fun. Oh children, can you hear someone singing? Can you
Ants go
hear?
marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. Ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah.
Where are you headed to, Mr. Ant?
Sorry, I'm busy. I cannot stop for some silly chit chat with you.
गोलमाल है भाई सब गोलमाल है अरे गोलमाल है भाई सब गोलमाल है
गोलमाल है भाई, सब गोलमाल है। कुछ तो गड़बड़ लग रही है मुझे, दाल में कुछ काला लग रहा है। So children, let us go and find out what this ant is up to. So I request everyone to pin to Mahir's video, as his grandparents will tell us what kind of golmaal is going to happen. So come on, all of you, pin to Mahir's window.
Hello, good afternoon to everyone. I am Mahesh Nanu. I like to tell a story about the ant and the grasshopper. It was a warm summer morning. A grasshopper sat enjoying the sunlight when he saw an ant. The ant was hurrying to the ant hill with kernel of the corn on her back. This is an ant and this is a grasshopper. Grasshopper said, "Dear ant, why are you working so hard? Come and play with me. We will have a fun." But ant replied, "I cannot play. I have to collect food and save it for winter. You should also gather and store the food. Sunny days will not last forever." However, the grasshopper was too happy to worry about the problem of winter. He said, "There is a plenty of food. There is a plenty of food right now with me. Why do I worry about winter?" So he is happy. Ant replied, "We ant always worry about a winter, about the future. We spend summer gathering food for the winter." And the ant went away. One morning, when the grasshopper woke up, he saw a snow all around him. He waited for the sun to shine brightly, but it did not. He was hungry too. Shivering, he went out to find the food. However, there was no food anywhere. Suddenly, he saw a little ant and her friends. All of them were happily munching the foods that they have stored during the summer. So, it was then that the grasshopper realized that it is the best to prepare for the days for necessary in advance. So children, I also advise you to keep a kitty bank at your end and piggy bank at your end and save small money every day for your future. That's all.
Very good.
Correct?
Wow, sir, that was such an incredible story. Thank you, Mahir grandparent, for sharing such a valuable lesson about being responsible and working hard. Now I request Mahir to present his grandfather with a thank you card.
On his own, correct? You made? Very good.
भिंडी बेटा कहाँ गए थे? आलू की टोकरी में सो रहे थे। आलू ने धक्का मारा, रो रहे थे। दादी ने पेंट दिया, हंस रहे थे।
फोरम मैम, क्या बात कर रहे हो आप? आलू, भिंडी और दादी ने तुम्हें पेंट दिया? क्यों पेंट दिया और किस लिए दिया?
ये जानने के लिए चलो मेरे साथ कियान के ग्रैंड पेरेंट के पास, जिन्होंने हमारे लिए एक सरप्राइज प्लान किया है। So everyone,
Ma'am.
kindly to Kian's window.
Ma'am, Kian's Nani is just came. Can you wait for 2 minutes? She will come. Just
No
for
problem.
2 minutes.
No problem. So Sarika ma'am, how was the story? Did you enjoy the story?
Yeah, it was very nice. We got to learn that we have to be responsible and we have to work very hard for our future.
Yes, you're absolutely right. The story was absolutely amazing. It is a lesson for everyone to learn for the future.
चलो
हमारा पेंटिंग करो।
ओके कितने लोग आने हैं पेपर में? तो एक पेपर पे ऐसे बलून लिए, बलून ड्रॉ किया है। ठीक है, हाय गुड मॉर्निंग।
हाय गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। ये पेपर लिया है, उसके ऊपर हमने सब बलून ड्रॉ किए हैं और बलून के ऊपर हम लोग पेंट करेंगे, थोड़ा
लेडी फिंगर
पेंट करेंगे, अलग अलग डिजाइन में इसको
अलग अलग कलर से लेडी फिंगर से पेंट करेंगे।
अरे जल्दी आओ, पेंट करानी।
ओके
मामा दोबारा।
आप कितना करते
लाऊं पकड़ी चिट्ठी कर। Ma'am, everyone is not doing. Only Kian has to do.
मामा
If the kids are ready with the materials, the kid can also do the activity.
Because I have priorly emailed Falguni ma'am.
Yeah, yes. So the kids who are ready with the materials, they are doing it.
Okay.
ये नानी आ जाओ। अरे ब्लू वाले
अभी आपका येलो कर
पूरा बहुत।
नानी उठ गई।
इतना करेंगे स्लोली।
आपने गंदी क्यों कर रही?
चल पकड़ो। अरे घना बड़ा आई पकड़ो। અને દબાવો હા ના આખું આવી બહુ ગંદુ કરે છે બેટા આમ ન કરાય આમાંથી લઈ લે ને ઓરેન્જ લઈ લે Look, everyone is doing.
The balloons are looking very colorful and attractive, isn't it, Sarika ma'am?
Yeah, yes. Rihanna is using red and blue color. Very nice, Rihanna.
Come on, orange color. હવે તો હું તને નાખીને આપું છું પ્રેસ કર ચલ અહીંયા પ્રેસ કર
દબાવવાનું પ્રેસ હા
Great work, Kian, beta. Very nice.
Come on. Show your teacher.
Aviraj is also doing. Aviraj,
Yeah, yes. Even I can see Aviraj doing it.
Even Aman, I guess, Raina is doing.
Rihanna, yeah, Rihanna.
Rihanna, amazing work, Rihanna.
So show your skills, teacher.
Wow,
Wow.
Kian.
Great work, Kian. Superb.
Okay, thank you.
Superhero, Kian.
Thank you, क्या teacher ने?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Come on, will you give
हमारा
your
नाम
token?
superhero Kian.
Will you give this token to your mommy?
क्या खूब नानी जी, आज पता चला हमें कि भिंडी का कमाल खाने में ही नहीं रंगों के साथ भी अच्छे से आता है. So now on this, I request Kian to present the thank you card to his nani. Kian, kindly do the honors.
जना, अरे नानी ना,
नानी ने gift करवाया. Thank you.
Thank you, Kian.
Beautiful card, Kian. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down. Oh, my bridge is falling down.
Please, Sarika ma'am, what are you trying to make?
I am trying to build a structure, but I am unable to do so.
Oh dear, don't worry. I know just the right person amongst us who will help us to make fantastic structures. So I present now Ivan's grandfather who will make beautiful structures with the help of blocks. Kindly pin to Ivan's window, everybody, please.
Hi.
Hello, sir.
And wishing you to happy grandparents. Hello.
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
By making the right, I am trying to make a big room. One of them will help me.
Wow, Nihit, you are also making a... Good work, Nihit. Good work. Great job.
Very nice, Rihanna. Great job. Even I can see Riyansh. Very
Yes.
nice, Riyansh.
Wow, Riyansh, amazing.
Yes, Nihit, it is super. Yes, Aman. Yeah, nice painting, Aman.
Beautiful.
Ma'am, what do you think is Dadaji constructing? Any thoughts?
Ma'am, I think it's a beautiful house.
Yes, yes, Forum ma'am.
And what is Rihanna made? What has she constructed? Can you see that?
Rihanna, you've constructed a building, tall building?
Yes.
Yes, that's
very
a
nice.
tall building.
And what has Nihit done? I think it's a tower.
I
What do
think
you
it's a
think, ma'am?
bridge. I think it's
Is
a
it?
bridge.
Yeah, it's
Oh,
a bridge.
Sarika ma'am was crying for the
Yeah,
London
yes,
Bridge.
yes.
Yes.
Superb, Nihit.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Nihit, does the metro train run on your bridge?
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, we have Riyansh also. He has also made a beautiful structure.
Let's see what has he done. Let's see.
Robot.
Oh, wow, that's a robot.
Yes. Riyansh has made a robot.
Nice.
Wow, Riyansh.
Wow, that's
very
lovely.
creative.
Hold it in front of the camera, Ryan, so that everyone can see your robot. Oh, yes.
Very creative,
Wow.
Riyansh. Very good.
Let's go back to Ivan's Dadaji and check out what is he doing.
Yes, ma'am.
Teacher.
Yes.
The house is almost ready.
Yeah, and Ivan is helping his grandfather.
Yes, very nice.
What a beautiful partnership, isn't it that?
Yes.
Rihanna, come on, you can make some more things out of it. Try.
Dadaji looks like Bob the Builder to me today.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Absolutely correct. The grandchild and the grandpa are so engrossed.
Forum teacher, can you just see what Shivy has done?
Yes.
Yes.
He's crying because nobody.
Wow, Chevy, beautiful work. Very nice.
Great job, Shivy. Nice, beautiful colors. Red, green, grey. Very nice, Shivy.
Yes. Sure.
It is ready.
See my bridge.
This is Ivan's with break.
Okay, the structure is ready. Thank you so much, sir, for teaching us how to build a superb house. So now I request Ivan to present his grandfather with a thank you card.
So thank you so much.
I will.
Sarika ma'am, what
Yes.
happened? Why are you crying, my dear?
Forum ma'am, I am very bored and I want to go out and meet my friends.
I know that. It's pandemic and lockdown going on. We cannot go out. But you know,
I have a fantastic idea about you. Can we have some fun inside the house only?
Fun inside the house? How, Forum ma'am?
Yes.
How can we have fun inside the house?
सुनो सुनाती हूँ तुमको कहानी, रूठो ना मेरी तुम परियों की रानी.
कहानी? कौन सी कहानी? कैसी कहानी फोरम मैम?
Wait. For this, we have to go to Vihan's house, where his grandmother is going to tell us a beautiful story. So everybody kindly pin to Vihan's window.
Ready, go. नमस्ते, मैं विहान की नानी बात कर रही हूँ. मैं आप सबको आज एकता के बल है ये कहानी सुनाती हूँ. एक छोटे से गांव में एक किसान रहता था. उसके चारों बेटों के साथ में वो रहता था. तो वो उस किसान के जो बच्चे बहुत झगड़ा करते थे. तो किसान बहुत परेशान था. उसने बहुत बार उनको समझाया कि अरे झगड़ा मत करो, एक साथ में रहो. फिर भी वो बच्चे वो किसान की नहीं. और बाद में भी थोड़ा होके फिर बड़ा हो गया. फिर उसने एक बार सोच लिया कि नहीं, इनको कुछ तो भी हमने सिखाना चाहिए. तो एक दिन उसने अपने चार डाल लिया और बोल दिया कि आज मैं तुम्हारे साथ में कुछ काम करना चाहता हूँ. तो उन्होंने एक लकड़ी का गट्टा दिया और अपने बच्चों को बोला जो गट्टा है ये मैं आपको देता हूँ और सबने एक एक बार उसको तोड़ना है, खाली एक ही बार. तो वो अपने बड़े बेटे के साथ में दे देता है. वो बोलता है ये तो बहुत ही मामूली सा है, मैं तो एक ही इसमें कर दूंगा. लेकिन उससे भी नहीं, दूसरे बेटे से भी नहीं हुआ और बाकी के दोनों बेटे से भी नहीं हुआ. तो वो हार गए और उसने उन चारों बच्चों ने बोल दिया कि हम हार गए और ये क्या काम दिया हमको. तो किसान ने बोला कि रुको, मैं आपको कुछ सिखाना चाहता हूँ. तो उसने क्या किया, वो गड्ढे में से एक एक लकड़ी निकाल के अपने चारों बच्चों के हाथ में दे दिया और बोला कि अभी इसको तोड़ था. तो झट से सबने तोड़ दिया. फिर बाद में किसान ने बोला कि देखो, एक एक लकड़ी था तो टूट गया, लेकिन गड्ढा था तो वो टूटा नहीं. वैसे ही आप चारों है कि एक साथ में रहेंगे तो अच्छे से काम करेंगे, अच्छे से सब कुछ होगा खुद के बारे में. लेकिन एक एक काम करोगे, झगड़ा करोगे तो कुछ भी नहीं होगा. इससे उनको एक सबक भी मिल गया कि एक साथ में काम करना है और सब बच्चे एक साथ में काम करने लगे और अच्छे से लगे. यही है एकता का बल. थैंक यू.
Wow.
Wow, that was such an amazing story. It was completely mesmerizing. Thank you for giving us such a beautiful moral, ma'am. Now I request Vihan to do the honors to present the card to your grandmother.
Thank you.
फोरम मैम, गाना सुनने का बहुत मन हो रहा है. एक गाना तो सुना दो ना. Okay, seems Forum ma'am has lost her network.
Sorry, गाना
Yes.
और मैं ना बाबा ना.
क्यों नहीं फोरम मैम, क्या हुआ?
अरे अगर मैं गाना गाऊंगी तो ये सारी ऑडियंस भाग जाएगी.
तो अब क्या करें? मुझे तो गाना सुनने का बहुत मन हो रहा है, तो क्या करेंगे अब?
Fear not, my friend. I have someone with us जो अपने मधुर आवाज में हम सबको लुप्त कर देंगे। तो आइए स्वागत करते हैं रियांश के ग्रैंड पेरेंट का। So everybody kindly pin to Riyansh window.
We need to pin to Sneha Dalvi's window and not Reyansh's window because उनके नानी माँ अलग से login किए हैं.
Yes, parents, kindly do that.
बच्चे मन के सच्चे, बच्चे मन के सच्चे, सारे जग की आँख के तारे, ये वो नन्हे फूल है जो भगवान को लगते प्यारे। बच्चे मन के सच्चे, बच्चे मन के सच्चे, रुठ मन बन जाए, फिर हम जोली बन जाए, झगड़ा जिसके साथ करे, अगले ही पल फिर बात करे, अगले ही पल फिर बात करे। इनको किसी से बैर नहीं, इनके लिए कोई गैर नहीं, इनका भोलापन मिलता है सबका बाह पसारे। बच्चे मन के सच्चे, बच्चे मन के सच्चे, सारे जग की आँख के तारे, यूं नन्हे फूल है जो भगवान को लगते प्यारे। बच्चे मन के सच्चे, बच्चे मन के सच्चे।
वाह, सुंदर, अति सुंदर दादी जी, क्या खूब गाया है आपने। So now I request to Reyansh to present a token of love to your grandparents. Yeah. Virtually, yes. मायूनी माई मुंडेर पे तेरे बोल रहा है कागा, जोगन हो गई तेरी पुजारी, मन जोगी संग लागा। टेन 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 टेन।
Hey Sarika ma'am, nice song. Got an inspiration from Riyansh's grandparents.
Yes, for a ma'am. But tell me, can you guess me the name of the movie in which this song was sung?
Let me think. I think it's Hum Aapke Hain Kaun. Right?
Yes, perfectly correct. You are right for a man. So, grandparents, would you like to play a game like this? Are you all ready?
Okay, I will play some instrumentals of the song, wherein you have to guess the name of the lyrics, name of the song, and somewhere I'm going to play the lyrics of the song, wherein you have to guess the name of the movie. So ready? Let's begin with the first track. Here you have to guess the name of the movie.
Come on, grandparents.
चल में।
Correct, absolutely right.
Very nice, perfect.
Next one.
Listen to the song properly. You have to guess the name of the movie. Girls. Yes.
Yes. Here comes the
Correct.
next one.
Super. Great going, grandparents. Great going. Yes, superb. Right, correct. Correct, Aviraj Dadi. Yes. Great job, great going, all of you.
Wonderful.
Let's move on to the next song. Yes, yes, correct. Wonderful, great going, great parents.
Absolutely.
Yes, yes, it is correct, correct. Kabhi kabhi, yes.
Right.
Wonderful.
Here comes the next one.
Be ready for the next song. Chandani.
Yes.
Yes,
Absolutely
yes.
right.
Correct.
Good job, parents, grandparents. Good job. Having fun.
They are so quick, Pura ma'am. They are so quick.
Yeah, we can guessing the names of
Yes, yes, sir. I can see they all are enjoying and they are ready to listen to the next song, Pura ma'am. Can we have the next song?
Yes, here I come.
Silsila, yes, 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 it's correct. Very nice. Great going, grandparents. Yes, it's Silsila.
And next is your
Be ready, all of you.
Yes, absolutely right. Absolutely right. Amazing, amazing.
Wonderful,
Now-
grandparents. Yes, Pura ma'am.
Now I'm going to play the lyrics, and I'm going to play the instrumental, and you have to guess the lyrics of the song.
Okay.
One
Pura
minute.
ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. 1
Yes.
minute. Ma'am, can you play from your mobile?
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so here we have. So here I'm going to play the music and you have to identify which song it is. Okay, ready? Yes.
You have to guess it.
Perfect. Yes, Chehra.
Guess the song.
You have to sing this song. Not Chandani. It's Riya's
You have to guess the song.
I'll play it again. I'll play it again. Yes, correct, correct, perfect. Yes, Dhriti's grandfather, perfect. Yes, Rehan's grandmother, perfect. Yes, so it is.
Nice, absolutely.
Nice. Superb, great. Now let's be ready for the next song. Yes? Anybody? Should I play it again? Yes, yes, Dhriti's grandmother. Yes. Yes, Dhriti's grandparent. Yes, correct. Okay, nice. Let's move on to the next music. Super. Yes, yes, you guessed it right. Wonderful. Great job, all of you. Great, great, Rehan's grandmom. Let's move on to the next song. Are you all ready? Yes, Dhriti's grandfather. Perfect. Perfect. Yes, yes, Vihan's Nani. Perfect. Yes, yes. Great job, all of you. Wow. Okay, ready for the next track? And I'm playing the next track. Yes. Super, great. That is wonderful. That was wonderful. Let's move on to the next track. And that's the last track. Yes, you got it right. Vihan's Nani, Dhriti's Dada, you got it right. Perfect. Great job, all of you. Wonderful indeed. Yes, for a ma'am. Okay, yeah. We end the program for a ma'am. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I think so. There is some network issue. Yes, for a ma'am.
Carry on.
Yeah, for a ma'am. Can you hear me? Okay, I'll carry on.
Yes, Sarika ma'am.
Okay, yes. Grandparents, here we end our program. I would like to give a thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. Before we end the program, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to all those who have contributed in the making of this program. We would like to thank the management for their logistic support, encouragement, and guidance at every step. Thank you, ma'am, who have always supported us in practical ways behind the scenes. A very big thank you to Joy ma'am, Zankhana ma'am, Tejal ma'am for their remarkable presence, guidance, and constant motivation. We would also like to acknowledge with gratitude each one of your contribution. Parents, you have been a constant support throughout. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you, grandparents. Thank you, children.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. It was a pleasure having you with us. Hope you enjoyed the Grandparents' Day virtual celebrations.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, Anshvita. Bye.
Bye.